to your own channel IES. Friends, in today's video we will talk about the stock which we traded today and why did we choose that stock and what were the lines that I marked to take an entry. So we will discuss all those things. So let's start. So this is Nifty's 5-minute chart. You can see Nifty opened here, and as soon as it opened, it started falling. Though there was no news, I didn't find any news. I don't know why this waterfall was there. I don't know, to be very honest. Okay, but let's see. So in the first 5 minutes, if you will see the open and high was same, it means the selling pressure was very high. So it started falling. It tried to stop here, but it didn't sustain this, and it started falling, and continuously it fell. So the stock which I chose was Bajaj Auto. There were some other stocks as well, but this is the simplest method, so I am describing that one. So let's see Nifty Auto first. Since Bajaj Auto is a sector, is an auto sector stock. So this is auto chart. Now I am simply marking two lines, nothing else. So if you will see, this is the high of April month. Okay, and yeah, this is the low of April month. Okay, so clearly this and this was high and low of April month, and on Friday Nifty Auto closed somewhere here in the range of April month. Okay, now let's see where is Maruti. Okay, first we will discuss Maruti, then I will tell why did I choose Bajaj Auto, and you can relate with other stocks as well. So I am adding Maruti here. Okay, now let's open Maruti, and if you will see, this is Maruti chart. It's a daily chart. So the April month high, this is the April month high. Okay, and the low is somewhere here on the around this level. So I am just putting a line here. So Maruti was inside the range, April month here. Now let's see where was Bajaj Auto. So I am adding Bajaj Auto, and let's see. So this is Bajaj Auto, and this is the daily chart of Bajaj Auto. Now let's see what was the high of April month. So this is the high of April month. Okay, and this is the low of April month. So can you clearly see that Bajaj Auto was not in the range, it was outside the range. Okay, and other like Nifty Auto, it was inside the range. Maruti, it was also inside the range. And let's see Nifty. So this is Nifty chart, and let's make it on daily time frame. So this is Nifty, and this is the high of Nifty on 30th April. It made the high, and somewhere here is the low. So this is the low of Nifty. Okay, so simply Nifty was also inside the April month's range. So that was the main reason of choosing this Bajaj Auto. Okay, so it closed above. So the our hypo was that if market falls, then simply this will fell down. Okay, now let's see what was the opening. So in Nifty Auto, you can see simply it opened and it broke the low. Nifty 50, I show you the chart, and Maruti also did the same thing. It opened somewhere here, and it broke the low. Now let's see Bajaj Auto. I'll open it in 5 minutes, and this is 5-minute chart of Bajaj Auto, and let's change to 10-day chart. Okay, so now I hope you clearly got where did I make the entry. I clearly took it on the top, though it was not, I was not thinking that this order will get executed, but yes, I did this, and luckily it got executed because on Friday what happened, I traded three stocks, and in none of them I was the order was not getting executed at the point where I wanted to buy, but today luckily it got executed at the top. and simply my target was, let me show you what was my target. This red candle, sorry, this red line, you can see this was my target, but I didn't wait for it, to be very honest, because somewhere here, if you will see, the volume started increasing on the buy side and it took the support. So I exit somewhere here, and the reason was, if you will see Nifty on 5 minutes, so this is Nifty on 5 minute, and that time was around 11:30, if you see. So this time it is around 10:45 and this is 11:30. Okay, so this is 11:30 and Nifty at 11:30 started taking the support. Okay, and this was a very crucial level, so it hit this level and it started moving up. So this was not uh, you know uh, this was not a wise decision to stay in the trade, because already it was fallen like some 100 points. Okay, so that's why I executed this stock, and I just put the sell order and I just made an exit from this trade. So simple, there is nothing which I put into this. Simply I chose the range. Okay, monthly range I chose. Okay, the stock was trading above that range, but other sector and other stocks of that sector were trading inside that range. So simply I chose, and uh, everything supported me, like 3G analysis we do. So Nifty and Auto both supported me, and the first thing which was like that order got executed. Okay, so this was the good thing, that order got executed in the second candle only. Otherwise, I had to wait, and if you see, there was no entry which was given by this. Somewhere here it stopped, and here I had to make the entry, but luckily I got this entry over here. So this was the main reason of choosing this Bajaj Auto for the trading. And other stock which I chose was Sun Pharma. So you can see why did I choose that. So simply you can do that homework. And other was M&M as well. You can see, though I didn't trade that, but you can check. M&M was also tradable today. So I hope you like this video, and we will see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye. Take care.